Not sure how to price your products so people actually buy? Guessing could leave money on the table or scare customers away. Pricing can feel like guesswork, but AI takes the stress out of the equation. This is the prompt I entered. Feel free to copy it if you like. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT gives multiple pricing options, each with reasoning tailored to your product and audience. You can see what works best without second guessing. But deciding on a number is just step one. To turn those options into a strategy that actually generates sales, you need a system. That's exactly what the AI Business Builder Challenge covers. Across 5 beginner-friendly episodes, it walks you through setting strategic prices, packaging offers, and launching your business. No funnels or tech headaches. You will also get bonuses like the copy and paste database of tested AI commands so you can streamline everything from pricing to marketing copy. Stop guessing your product prices. Let AI show you options and use the AI Business Builder Challenge to turn them into a launch plan that actually sells. It is an easy $17 investment. The link's ready for you in the description.